In this iToolab RecoverGo iOS review, we'll explore its core features, pricing, pros and cons, how to use it, and a reliable alternative. Part 1. Main features of iToolab RecoverGo iOS. iToolab RecoverGo iOS is a data recovery tool developed by iToolab, specifically designed for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch users. It supports recovering various types of data from the device itself, iTunes backups, or iCloud backups, including photos, videos, contacts, text messages, WhatsApp chats, and more. It allows you to preview permanently deleted files before starting the recovery process. Part 2. Price of iToolab RecoverGo iOS. When considering any iPhone data recovery software, cost plays a big role. iToolab RecoverGo iOS offers several pricing options depending on how often you need to use it. Part 3. Pros and cons of iToolab RecoverGo iOS. Before purchasing, it's important to weigh the strengths and weaknesses of the tool. Based on hands-on testing and user reviews, here's what you should know. Pros. Support over 20+ data types, including third-party app data. Clean interface and easy navigation. Compatible with the latest iOS and iPhone models. Preview data before recovery. No jailbreaking required. Cons. The free version only allows data preview. Scanning speed varies with device and data size. No guarantee of full data recovery if overwritten. The recovery speed is significantly affected by the amount of data and the condition of the device. It is only available for Windows, not for Mac. Part 4. How to use iToolab RecoverGo iOS. Step 1. Download RecoverGo iOS from the official website and install it on your computer. Launch the program and select the first option, Recover Data from iOS Device. Step 2. Next, connect your device to the computer using a certified Lightning to USB cable. The program will then display all the data types available for recovery. Simply choose the ones you want to recover and click Start Scan. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, the program will display the amount of data found. You can browse or filter the data you wish to recover. After selecting what you want, click the Recover button. Step 4. You'll be able to track the recovery progress. Just be patient, and once it's finished, the recovered files will open on your computer for you to check. Part 5. The best alternative to iToolab RecoverGo iOS. If you're looking for a more affordable and equally effective iOS recovery tool, Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery is an excellent alternative. It offers similar features, but at a lower price point and with a more intuitive interface. Key features of Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. Easily recover deleted messages and contacts from your iPhone without a backup. Quickly restore lost or deleted files from your iOS device, iTunes, and iCloud backups. Retrieve essential data such as contacts, SMS, photos, WhatsApp, chats, notes, and more. Preview both existing and deleted files and choose which ones to recover or backup. Fast iOS data recovery with no risk of data loss, preserving the original file format and quality. Fully compatible with the latest iOS 26 and iPhone 16 series.